how to solve rate limit exceeded Twitter X problem. So if you want to fix rate limit exceeded Twitter X problem, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your X or your Twitter application and make sure that you have logged into your account. If you do not have one yet, then create a new account to continue. If the error appears, the first thing to check is your internet connection. Sometimes a weak signal causes the problem, so switch to a stronger network by turning Wi-Fi off and on, or try using mobile data. You can also toggle airplane mode for a few seconds and then turn it back off to refresh the connection. Next, you need to close the X app completely from your recent apps and then reopen it. A simple restart of the app often clears temporary glitches. If that does not fix, then go to your Play Store or your App Store and check if there's an update available for X. Running the latest version helps avoid these errors. On Android devices, you can clear up the app cache by going to your settings, or just simply search for the X application and then tap and hold on to your X, go with the app info, and then go with storage and cache and clear the cache. This will not delete your account completely. It just removes temporary files. So you can also try logging out of your account and then logging back in, or even restarting your phone to refresh the system. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.